Good morning. What's poppin' YouTube? How are you? And welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. I know it's been a really long time since the last vlog of us going on that breakfast ride to Vikarabad. But I've been flying a lot actually since that day till now. And even today, as you see, I'm actually heading to an aircraft and heading for a flight right now. And I've been flying all days. And just yesterday, I thought, why not show you a little bit of our life into flying and what all we do on a regular basis before we go for a flight and how do we get prepared and all. So, abhi time is, you see there, it's 4:54 in the morning, and I have already started like about 20 minutes ago from home. I need to reach the airport by about 5:30. So I have about 35 minutes to reach, and 35 minutes is what it's gonna take. So today's flight, we're departing at 6:30 in the morning, and we are going to go from Hyderabad to Mysore, from Mysore to Cochin to Mysore, and Mysore back to Hyderabad. So the scheduled arrival back in Hyderabad is about 4 p.m. So let's see कितना जल्दी आ पाएंगे वापस. That's about it, yeah. So I will catch you. I know the light is very low. It's obviously 5 o'clock. I'm in a car. I don't have any other external light. So I will see you guys in a little bit. So guys, heading to the aircraft. I have Ishan with me. Hi. So he's from Bombay, the famous COVID place. So he's been flying out of Hyderabad now, and abhi it is, what time is it? 6:15. 15 minutes for departure, and we have 12 passengers only. Charter flight जैसा है. So फटाफट जाएंगे, and then I will see you guys again in Mysore.
Terrain awareness test start. Terrain awareness system passed. Terrain awareness test complete.
Shimshiman ground, good morning, LR 8901.
LR 8901, good morning.
Very good morning, TSL LR 8901, runway 16, Victor Tango Romeo Kilo Golf, requesting clearance to Mysore. Level is 180 and I'm on good time, QNH 1009 on board. Hi guys, checking in again from Mysore. We have landed बहुत जल्दी again यार, पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग, कितना जल्दी क्यों. माने अगर फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन में जल्दी आ गए तो अच्छी बात है, बट अगर बीच में फंस गए ना आज की तरह, it is horrible. We've been sitting on the ground for the last 15 minutes अभी 15-20 minutes गप्पे मार रहे थे, but it is hot यार. It is, you people won't believe it, it is 30 degrees outside. It's quite pleasant at Mysore, but the cockpit gets really hot in because ये मेरे पीछे सारे इलेक्ट्रिकल्स है, इलेक्ट्रिकल रैक यहाँ पीछे रहता है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का रैक इसके पीछे रहता है, तो it radiates a lot of heat, and that heat is honestly worse than my Ducati heat. And ATR is generally a very hot aircraft in the cockpit, so dimag kharab. So as we continue, what was I saying regarding flying? So again, if you guys have seen my flight simulator vlog, I showed you a little bit of the flight instruments. Again, the cockpit of a bigger airliner is quite different to the generic aircraft which I showed you. I showed you of a Cessna 172 in the flight sim, and these airliners are way more complex than that. And just to give you an insight, this display where my hand is, this is our primary display. It gives us the this is called the artificial horizon. I will explain in detail about these in the next flight sim vlog, where I talk about G1000 cockpit of the Cessna, which has a similar layout. This is our altimeter. This is the speed. This is the compass in simple language, if you say. So I've just changed the mode for that so that you can see the 360 degrees of the compass. This is a multi-function display. It shows us different parameters. I can cycle through different pages of that, and it gives us, depending on what information I need, I can scroll through different pages and get all the information on that. This third panel again is the top half gives us the important information. This particular portion is the weight of the aircraft, the fuel remaining on it, and this amber and all what you see is the portion where all our checklists are happening. And these two screens are replicated on that side as well. Bottom, this two screens, this is the flight computer. All our navigation, routing and all is fed into this. And the throttle bodies, these are the flaps, this is the parking brake, and this is the fuel mixture. Again, we've been talking about on the Cessna. The fuel air mixture is put in through these levers here. And again, this aircraft has got a lot of buttons at the top as well here. I can't explain it in such a small video. All that I will explain when we do a flight sim on the Airbus A320. Airbus A320 ka and iska the top is a little similar because again Airbus owns ATR, so cockpit philosophy is quite similar as you go there. And it can be explained more detailedly in there for you guys, so that what each function does and all elaborately, slowly over time. Yahan pe I don't have that much time, but I just wanted to show you guys how our cockpit looks. Unfortunately, no vlogging in the air, so. And yes, one more last thing. This is our autopilot panel, basically. All the various functions, modes of the autopilot. Yeah, it's a little better now. All the modes of the autopilot are going to be here. And mind you, this vlog, the quality is not going to be that great because I'm actually doing it on a GoPro. And spare me for that. ओके अभी काटा सडनली क्योंकि हमारा इंजीनियर साहब आ गए. देखो जा रहे हैं. क्या करवाए, पूरा एयरक्राफ्ट बंद करवाए क्योंकि 1 घंटा बाकी है. एंड यहाँ पे वी डोंट हैव एन एक्सटर्नल पावर. एयरक्राफ्ट का छोटा सा बैटरी, एक्सटर्नल बैटरी कार्ड है. एंड इज लाइक वो सस्टेन नहीं करेगा इतनी देर. सो इज लाइक गेट आउट ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट. बंद कर दिए. एयरक्राफ्ट इज कम्प्लीटली de-energized now, so there's no power coming whatsoever. So ये गर्मी में we can't survive. ईशान is ready. हम लोग जा रहे टर्मिनल में देखने के लिए क्या है वहाँ पे. चलो, see you guys in the terminal. So we have come to the terminal in Mysore. यार, what's surprising is 2 passengers have showed up so far. That's it. 2. Can't go anywhere. And again, if it's only 2 passengers, we take 2 of them and come to Hyderabad, but which is very unlikely, obviously. So we are well ahead of time. The time now is 12 o'clock, and the scheduled departure from here is at 1:30. So हम करे क्या, गप्पे मार रहे, बकवास कर रहे. Nowhere to do, nothing to do. Just wait for passengers to come by, and yes, sit and talk to you guys about today's vlog. So again, here, how do you like this vlog? This is not going to be a regular thing on my channel. This is just a one-off, a very rare event, because I don't want to vlog too much in the aircraft. It is unnecessary kind of an attention. So let's leave it to this one time. I just wanted to show you how our aircraft looks and all from the inside, because I don't have an ATR on the flight sim. It is not available, so nobody has made an ATR 72-600 for the simulator of the Explain 11 yet. I've heard it's under development, but it might take about 1 year before it comes up. So tab tak we are stuck with the Airbus. But ये लोग कहाँ जा रहे? Oh, by the way, वहाँ पे दूर में Cessna 172 है जो मैं उड़ा रहा हूँ सिम में तुम लोगों के लिए. Same. There's a flight school here called Orient Flight School in Mysore, if I'm not wrong. That's the name of the flight school. Hey, बहुत गर्मी है. So Heading back to the aircraft. Hopefully all the passengers are here. हमारा ATR खड़ी है, ATR. So guys, how was my aircraft? How was the journey today with me from Hyderabad to Hyderabad? Honestly, it was a little boring day for both me and Ishan because there was a lot of waiting to do here. So we reached every station substantially well before time, and as you saw in Mysore, we were stuck there for a huge amount of time. Like we had to go to the terminal, and because there was nobody who's turned up yet for the flight because we were that early. And when we went to the terminal, we found out that there were only 2 passengers who had arrived by then. So the rest of them had to come, and we had to wait. And in Hyderabad, as I speak, it is 3:20 in the afternoon now, and I'm well on my way home. And we landed in Hyderabad well before time as well. So in course of the day, I and Ishan also actually recorded something. For some reason, there was no voice input. But I'll just try and give you a brief on what we spoke about, So both of us were talking about the difficulties in getting a job in today's world. Let it be a pilot job, let it be any job. There is definitely a lot of competition. So, the struggles are real no matter which field of education you are into. Not just in mine, but in any field. The difficulty in scoring your first job is always there, But again, remember, be confident in yourself, put in that extra effort. How can you, improve over the person next to you is just by increasing your knowledge on a daily basis. Put emphasis on what you're learning and do it at a good, constant pace. As in, increase your knowledge on a daily basis, That way you can become a better person, more learned person. That way it becomes easier when you go for an interview. So you might not get a job in the very first interview you seek, but whatever place you go for work or education, as again everybody says, failure is always the stepping stone to your success. So slog yourself whenever possible. You don't need to score 90% in your marks all the time, but you need to give that 100% of effort when it comes to your knowledge, because that is what is going to give you life. That is what end of the day earns your bread for you. So again, coming back to my line of work, yes, there was a beautiful period in about 2007 2008 when there were ample number of jobs and less number of pilots. So there was every single person could become a pilot. Basically, you had a license, you were a commercial pilot in India. Still, definitely, to get the pilot license, there's a lot of struggle in that. But after the downturn in 2009, there was a huge collapse in the market, and not many jobs were there. In fact, after the shutdown of Kingfisher, there were absolutely no jobs at all. So, come forward, slowly the market started improving. We came out of the recession, the markets improved, and when everything was looking great, and the openings were coming much quicker than what they were in even in 2015, even until the beginning of 2019, there were a lot of openings for pilots, but unfortunately, because of the present situation, it has completely taken a U-turn. Again, it's going to be difficult for any freshman pilot right now to score a job, but again, be confident in yourself. Keep working on your skills. If you don't get into a depression or something of that sort because you're not getting a job immediately, but keep yourself motivated, keep studying, and keep yourself in some form of or the other related to aviation. That way you can get the perfect platform getting into aviation or getting into flying, because that is what you're going to do. So that was what I and Ishan actually were talking about. We spoke about it, but unfortunately there was no voice. I don't know. I think I must have one of us or both of us must have not turned on the mic properly. We didn't record, but you know, just keep your spirits high, guys. Everybody's life goes through ups and downs. You know, everybody. I have gone through those tough times. I've come back from my flying in 2010. My job was in late 2014, so I know what that struggle is. So even Ishan, in that case, the captain I was flying with today, so he had to struggle. He had to wait for almost 7 years, 6 to 7 years for his job. And you know, when you know that kind of trouble, you can enjoy your success even more. So again, just be confident in your skills, improve them on a daily basis. I've been saying this like n number of times in this video, but that is what we are, right? We need to improve ourselves. So again, this is just a small brief about what we go through. My phone is ringing and I need to go, and also see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, bye. Oh yeah, love you all.